Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about evaluating exponential function. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, in this YouTube channel, you will find different subjects in the playlist such as general mathematics, practical research, advanced statistics, mathematics in the modern world, and basic calculus. Now let's start our discussion. Evaluating exponential function. Evaluate the following exponential functions at x equals negative 2, 0, and 2. So these are the values of our exponential functions that we're going to solve. Number 1, f of x equals 2 raised to x. This is the first exponential function. So first, let's change the value of x into negative 2. That is our first value. So we have 2 raised to negative 2. And since negative 2 siya, we will apply the exponential notation rules na kapag negative 2 ang kanyang exponent or negative ang kanyang exponent, ay kailangan nating gumawa ng paraan para maging positive siya. And the easiest way is gawin siyang denominator. So we have 1, 2 raised to 2. And what is 2 raised to 2? 2 times 2, the answer is 1/4. That is our first evaluation or the first answer for the value of x equals negative 2, 0, and 2. So second is f of 0, wherein we have 2. We will just use this one, raised to 0. And according sa ating exponential notation rule, anything that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. So we have the second answer. And lastly, for the 2, so we have 2 raised to 2, that's equal to 4. This is very important to learn how to evaluate exponential functions because we will use this one in graphing exponential functions. Okay? So we're done with number 1 example using the value of x, negative 2, 0, and 2. So we have 1/4, 1, and 4 as our answers. Next, for g of x equals 1/2 raised to x, such as the value of x is the same. So we have g of negative 2 equals 1/2 negative 2. And kapag ganito, i-interchange mo lang ang position ng denominator and numerator, so that will become 2/1 or 2, and then magiging positive na yung exponent natin. And that's equal to 4. Okay? And for the g of 0, that's equal to 1/2 raised to 0. Again, the answer is 1. And finally, we have g raised to g of 2, which is 1/2 raised to 2. And here the answer is 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4, 1, and 1/4 for the values of y. So this will become the values of y now. Okay? Alright. Next, number 3. For number 3, we have 4 times 3 raised to x. Okay, so we will change x into negative 2. So that's 4 times 3 raised to negative 2. And that is 4 times 1 over 3 raised to 2. Bakit? Kasi negative siya. So this will become 4 times 1 over 9, I think. And the answer is 4 over 9. Because 4 times 1 is 4. For next one, we have 0. And that is 4 times 3 raised to 0. Anything that's raised to 0 is 1. So we have 4 times 1. And the answer is 4. And finally, we have h, x equals 2. So h of 2. So we have 4 times 3 raised to 2. And that is 4 times 9, I think. 3 squared is 9. And 4 times 9 is 36. So this is now our value for, or the value of values of y. Okay? So kung meron tayong x dyan, may y tayo. And these are 4 over 9, negative 2 and 4 over 9, 0 and 4 and 2 and 36. So parang ganun sila. Kung titignan natin sila in a table form. Okay? Oh yeah, sige, pakita natin in the table form. So we have x, negative 2, 0, and 2. Y is 4 over 9, 4 and 36. So, ganito yung itsura nila. In a table form. Okay, tapos ipa-plot mo siya. Na ituturo ko next video. Okay? Next, we have j of x, 1/3 raised to 2x minus 5 using the same values. So we have j of negative 2 muna. So that's 1/3 2 times negative 2 minus 5. I think 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 5, negative 9, right? So that's negative 9. If that's negative 9, that's 1/3 negative 9. Tama ba? 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 5. So that is negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. And then, ipagbaliktad mo lang ito para maging positive yung ating exponent. That will become 3 over 1 or 3 raised to 9. And the answer is 19,683. Exponential talaga. Okay? And then, j of 0 equals 1/3 2 0 minus 5. For this, we have 1/3. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 5 is negative 5. And then again, we have 3 raised to 5. Kasi tataas ko siya para maging positive yung ating exponent. So, we have 243 for the j. Okay, so okay, nakadalawa na tayo. Last one, 2. So we have 1/3 2 minus 5. Ooh, I think that's negative 1. So we have 1/3 negative 1. So itataas ko lang siya, magiging 3. Tama? 3 raised to 1 or 3. So, kung gagawin mo siyang in a table form, ayan, sa last part ko na lang ginawa. Anyway, okay. Ang negative 2 ang answer niya. Malaki pala. Sorry, hindi kasya. 19,683. So, 19,683. And then, for 0, we have 243. And for 2, we have 3. Okay? So, ganyan siyang i-represent. And finally, for number 5, we have k of x equals 4 raised to x plus 1 minus 1. So, using the same values of x. So, we have k, negative 2 equals 4, negative 2 plus 1 minus 1. That's 4, negative 1, minus 1. Okay? And then, syempre, gagawin natin 1/4 yung isa dahil negative siya. So, 1/4 minus 1. And then, kunin mo yung kanyang denominator, LCD I'm sorry. So that is 4. So 1 minus 4. And the answer is negative 3/4, right? Negative 3/4 is the answer for this one. Next, k 0, 4, 0 plus 1, that's 4 raised to 1 or simply 4. I'm sorry. May minus 1 pa pala. Sorry. So, may minus 1 pa pala tayo. I forgot. May minus 1 pa. So, we have 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. And finally, we have k raised to 2. 4 Ano nga kasi yung equation natin? X plus 1 minus 1. So we have 2 plus 1 minus 1. That's 4 cubed. What's 4 cubed? That's 64, right? So we have 64 minus 1. And that's equal to 63. Okay, so these are the values now of this equation. So if we will represent this into a table form, that's negative 2, 0, and 2, what's the value of negative of y if x is negative 2, negative 3/4, right? And then if x is 0, 3, and if x is 2, 63. Alright, so that's all about evaluating exponential function. Thank you very much for your listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell button below for more updates. Also, in this YouTube channel, you will find different subjects in the playlist, such as general mathematics, practical research 2, mathematics in the modern world, advanced statistics, and basic calculus. Bye bye.